Guys, do you know this song? Thunder. Today, it's a rainy day that Echo and I are recording, so we were listening to that song. Listen to that word, thunder. What sound does it begin with? Yeah, it's a digraph. TH. And what vowel do you hear in the word thunder? Short U. Up. Awesome. And then we have a blend, ND, thund. And at the end, we have an R controlled, Awesome. It's cool sometimes to think about songs and think about words like your names and think about what syllable types and vowels and letters there are. All right, what do you say we get started on our warm up now? A apple A safe A. E ed E p E. I itch I pine I. O octopus O home O. U up U mule U rule oo. WH w. SH sh. CK k. This only comes at the end of a one syllable word right after the vowel. ONG song ong. ONK honk onk. N. Awesome. And let's go ahead and get some posters going on. That's right, guys. You know, this is my favorite, the pirate poster. We've got those controlling R's. AR, car, R. OR, horn, or. ER, her, IR, bird, UR, burn, Put that pirate away, and let's talk about teamwork. Are any of you on any teams? I love teams. Let's look at some vowel teams. Here's our first row. It says long A sound. A-I, bait A. A-Y, play A. E-E, jeep E. E-A, eat E. E-Y, key E. What did this whole row say? E, long E. Let's put a macron over our head. This is the long sound. All right, one more row. O-I, coin oi. O-Y, boy oi. Fantastic jobs, my friends. And let's finish our warm up with a little competition. Can you beat the teacher saying these trick words? Here we go. From, have, do, does, would, could, should, her, over, number, say, says, see, between, each. How'd you do? Did I win? Did you win? We're all winners if we're all reading our trick words. That's the important part that matters. Okay, I have an exciting word of the day for you. Watch as I build and try to read it. It starts with a blend. What does that blend say? Like tricky. Some people get this confused with this sound. Ch. This is tur. Tur. Okay, here comes the vowel. Get ready. We got letters falling everywhere. Okay, we don't know what sound that vowel makes yet. I need to keep working. What would it say right now? Trib. It would be a closed in, so short. But that's not a real word. Here's our word of the day. And I'm going to add a suffix. Let's read the base word first. tribe. Now let's read the whole word. Tribes. Tribe, tribes. What is a tribe? Yeah, a tribe is a group of people that share common values or interests. And that makes me think of our indigenous people, Native Americans. We have a lot of tribes even close to us and where we live. For example, the Wampanoags. And there are many other tribes. Do you know of any tribes? Excellent. So let's talk about this word and mark it up. I'm going to switch over to my whiteboard. Okay, so here's that word. What's the word again? Tribe, tribes. Good. We read the base word first. Let me scoop the base word, circle the suffix. Tribe, tribes. And let's mark it up. This is a vowel, consonant, E word. So we cross off the E and it's a long I. So we put that macron over it because it says I, tribes. And sure, we could mark the blend, but as you guys are starting to learn more and more marking, we don't always mark everything. We mark the part that the teacher wants us to focus on, usually the new learning. Okay, so we need a sentence for tribes. How about they are part of the Wampanoag tribe? Wampanoag tribe. Would that sentence work? Technically, I used the word tribe instead of tribes. So I think we need to try again. We need to make a sentence that has the word tribes, plural. Could we say, what could we say that has tribes in it? There are many different tribes. That is very true. There are many different tribes. There. Now we made it plural. We made it have an S. You know what to do. This is a word of the day. You need to open up your student notebook and enter this in the vocabulary section. Find the page that starts with T. And remember, you might have a green book, you might have a pink book, it doesn't really matter. No matter what, it's in the vocabulary section. Find that T, tribe, and that's where you will enter it. You'll put the word on top and the sentence below. Make sure you mark the word. Pause right here so that you can get it all down. Okay, if you're back, you must have finished. My E's, it's hard to see the space because of my marker. Okay, but those are E's. Let's scoop our sentence and read it. There are many different tribes. There are many different tribes. Okay, very nice, my friends. And the last part of today's lesson, or the important part that's next, is dry erase dictation. So please get your dry erase board and get ready to do some writing. Okay, we are going to start with 3 sounds. So number it. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, repeat after me. The first sound is A. Write long A. Like that. A consonant E. Okay, try this one. Z. Write all the ways to do the sound Z. There's 2. Think, think, think. Pause until you're done and check with me. Z says Z, and S sometimes says it too. When it's between 2 vowels or when it's at the end of a word, like a suffix. Let's do one more. Ooh. What says ooh? Like rule. That's right, it's a long U. U, consonant E. Awesome job on all those sounds. Let's go ahead and erase the sounds and get ready for the words. Okay, time for some words. Here we go. Repeat after me. States. we have 50 states. What's the base word? State. Tap it out. State. Write state, then make it say states. Pause for as long as you need. If you get stuck, you can look up here with me, and when you're done writing it, let's mark it. We need to underline the base word or scoop it and circle the suffix. And then let's label it. It's vowel, consonant, E. Cross off the E, and the A is long. Put the macron over it. States. Okay, let's go on to number 2. Repeat after me. Strikes. 3 strikes, and you're out. What's the base word? Strike. Tap it out. St, I, k. Write strike, and then make it say strikes. Pause if you need more time. Look, they both start with the same blend. States, strikes. Scoop the syllable, circle the suffix. This one is vowel, consonant, E. Cross off the E and put the line over the I. It's a long I. One more word. Repeat after me. Homes. There are many homes on the street. What's the base word? Tap it, write it, add the suffix S. Homes. Okay, let's mark it. Underline the base word, circle the suffix, label the syllable, vowel, consonant, E, cross off the E, and make it a long O. Pause until you have these words written, and then let's read them. States, strikes, homes. Fantastic job. Please erase all of those words, and we will do one sentence. This is the last part for today, so give me everything you've got. You ready? Okay. Mom shakes the rug out. One more time, let's count it. Mom shakes the rug out. We have 5 words. You can draw lines if you want, or just look at mine. Mom, and we'll start with a capital and with a stop sign. Mom shakes, you can tap those out. The, that's a trick word. Rug out, that's a trick word. And we'll put our period at the end. So go ahead, pause here and write your sentence. Okay, you're back. Fantastic. Let's start by checking. Did you start with an uppercase and end with a period? Do that now if you didn't. Okay, now check your 2 trick words, the and out. Look them up in your notebook if you're not sure. Pause until they're good and then check them with mine. We had the and out. Okay, let's tap out the words. Mom. Check what you wrote. It should look like this. Shakes. Tap out what you wrote. Shh. Did you start with sh? A, k, k, k. And then we need the E on the end, and then add the suffix S. Mom shakes the rug. Ugh. Rug out. Okay, make sure it looks just like mine. Pause if you need to still fix it up. And then let's scoop it and read it smoothly. Mom shakes the rug out. Mom shakes the rug out. Why would Mom shake the rug out? Yeah, if it's dirty, we need to clean the rugs by shaking them out and then sweeping and vacuuming and getting all clean. Speaking of all clean, please wipe off your dry erase board. You have to clean them right after or else it won't come off. Great job today. See you next time.